Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nigerian donuts. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, active dry yeast, and warm milk. Don't forget a couple of eggs, some melted butter, and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Lastly, have your vegetable oil ready for the frying stage. Getting everything organized beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get our hands into the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine your dry ingredients thoroughly. Then, gradually incorporate the wet ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Transfer it to a lightly floured surface and knead for approximately 10 minutes. You're looking for a smooth, elastic dough that springs back when gently poked. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect donut texture. After kneading, it's time for the dough to rest and rise. Place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it proof in a warm spot for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and roll it out on a floured surface to about 1/2 inch thickness. Use a donut cutter or a knife to create your desired donut shapes. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, frying. Heat your vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Remove and drain on paper towels. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Serve your warm, delicious Nigerian donuts and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.